Welcome one more time to our intensive Spanish lesson class, where my goal is that you learn Spanish in 100 days. So what we learned so far in our class is the ABC. The first lesson it was the ABC. So in that lesson you will learn how to read and write any word in Spanish. After that we was learning the verb to be, which is very different in English. That when we use in Spanish we have two verbs in order to build the verb to be. So it's a very important class, that one. So if you didn't master that lesson, so I would recommend you to watch that video 2 or 3 times, because it's very important class. So then we was learning the article definite and indefinite, which is when you are using the they and the and, like they or and for something like that. Also we was using some introduction to some question, how to build question in Spanish, and also the numbers. And in today's class is going to be the greetings and as well days of the week. So it's going to be a small lesson, but it's very important because you are going to see that we are going to start building some of the other lessons that we was using in this lesson as well. And also that will be important because you will start speaking with some people in Spanish and using some of these class that we was using in the past. So if you are ready, I'm ready. So let's go into the computer and I'm going to teach you that lesson. So see you there.
Alright, so now that we are back on the computer, so let's go to start with the basic greetings. So we have the first one that would be hello, or when you say to somebody hola. So that would be hola, or hello in English, hi. Alright, so you say hi, you say hola. And then we have buenos dias, that would be in English for good mornings. So when you say buenos dias, hello in the morning, good morning. And then we have, for good afternoon, we have buenas tardes. So that would be after lunch. So you know that you start saying buenas tardes or good afternoon. Until then, we have at the evening, we have when we have the sunset, we have buenas noches. That would be the good evenings. I know that in English, good evening and good night, that would be different, but in Spanish, we would say only buenas noches. So that would be even when you go to sleep or you're not going to see somebody until next day, still you're going to say buenas noches. So that would be at all time, buenas noches. Then we have some question when you say, how are you? Alright, so if you have any questions, if you ask the question to somebody, you say, how are you? And then you will say, ¿Cómo estás? How are you? Also, but we have also informal, we will say, ¿Qué tal? How it's going. Now, keep in mind that also we can say for how it's going, we can say, ¿Cómo te va? How are you going? So, if you see that we put in the question, we say, ¿Cómo te va? Is how it's going, as well, ¿Qué tal? So you can answer with this question as well, bien, gracias. So in English, that would be well, thanks, but you will say good, thanks. But you will say, how are you? I'm doing well, but you can say good. So that would be the same in Spanish, bien, gracias. So bien will be more translated in English for well. Buenos, that would be more for good, right? Like if you say good morning, buenos, or something is bueno, or something is good, and bien is more well. But in English, you will say good, thanks, or well, thanks. So in Spanish, the same, bien, gracias, and then we have muy bien. So now that you know what's mean bien, so you know what's mean bien. If you say muy, so that be very well or very good, right? And then we have más o menos, so, más o menos. Remember our last lesson that we was using when you use más to calculate 1 plus 1, you say más o menos. So that is more or less the same way. We say más is plus, and in Spanish we say más o menos, so. And then we have mal, or something is doing mal. And of course, if you say very bad, how do we say very bad in Spanish? Exactly, muy mal. So because before we was using muy for saying very well, and then if it's bad, you say very bad, you will say muy mal. All right. So mal would be bad. So then we have some polite expression, and we have here por favor, please, and we have as well gracias, thank you, and also we have de nada, you are welcome. So if you say very well, thank you, and you say de nada when you answer to somebody, if somebody say gracias and you say you are welcome, you say de nada. All right, the same like in English. So then we have when you say perdón, so it's excuse me, perdón, excuse me, or you can say sorry, you say perdón. Then we have some farewells as well. So when you say goodbye, you say adios. Also, we say see you later, you say hasta luego. So see you later, hasta luego. Then you say see you later or see you soon, hasta pronto. That would be more translated see you soon or see you later too. But that would be hasta pronto. It's something that is going to be sooner that you will see somebody in near again. Hasta pronto. So then we have nos vemos, see you. And also we have hasta mañana, see you tomorrow, hasta mañana. So the same like similar nos vemos, or you can see you tomorrow, nos vemos tomorrow, hasta mañana, o nos vemos mañana, nos vemos mañana, see you tomorrow, or hasta mañana. So you can use both. So basically it's almost the same. Nos vemos, like see you, nos vemos, and then you add at the end mañana, so that means that so we'll see you tomorrow, nos vemos mañana, or you can say nos vemos and you don't have to add mañana because that means that it could be tomorrow or it could be another day, so you will say nos vemos, who knows, maybe next month, so nos vemos, but if you want to emphasize that that would be tomorrow, you say nos vemos mañana, or you can say hasta mañana. So see you tomorrow. So we have some friendly expression as well. So ¿qué pasa? What's up? So right? So ¿qué pasa? You can say ¿qué pasa, chico? Hola, ¿cómo estás? ¿Qué pasa? So what happened? Or what's up? So also ¿qué haces? What are you doing? ¿Qué haces? So we have another expression. So to practice some expressions, they say hola, all right? So we say at the beginning, hola, and ¿cómo estás? So you say hi or hello, how are you, right? So that would be the first part. We was practice the first part, hola, and then also we was practicing how are you, right? So you say hola or hello, how are you? Hi, how are you? ¿Cómo estás? So that is very typical. You will say hi, ¿cómo estás? Hola, ¿cómo estás? And then we have buenos días, ¿qué tal? Buenos días, so good morning. How you doing? Then we have buenas tardes, ¿cómo te va? So something similar like how it's going, right? So we was practicing that. Buenas tardes, ¿cómo estás? And then buenas noches, hasta mañana. So you arrive to a place and you say buenas noches, and then or when you are going to say to somebody like goodbye and we are going to see you like good evening or good night and see you tomorrow, like that will be good night, see you tomorrow. You will say buenas noches, hasta mañana, buenas noches, hasta mañana. And then you say gracias, nos vemos. So thank you, see you. All right, so that would be some of this expression that would be really very friendly and very used every day. So when you meet somebody, so if you master that part, so you will have the information how to talk to some people, and we are going to use that in our class as well. So also we are going to mention date of the week. I was mentioned that, and the first word, the first part would be ¿Qué día es hoy? So remember before that we was in our lesson, we was introducing to the interrogation question and how you are going to build. Well, right now you will be familiar with that. So we have que, you already know what. Que día, día means day, es the verb to be, and hoy means today. ¿Qué día es hoy? So also we was practicing that. And you answer, hoy es lunes. Today is Monday. Today is hoy is the verb to be, and lunes is Monday. Today is Monday. So ¿qué día es hoy? So in English also you will say, what day is today? So today is Monday. So not only similar. So what day is today? And then today is Monday. So then we have ¿qué día es mañana? ¿Qué día es mañana? Mañana we was practicing our last lesson what means mañana is tomorrow, right? So it would be the same. ¿Qué día es mañana? So mañana would be Tuesday or would be Wednesday. So then we say ¿qué día es pasado mañana? After tomorrow. So we have mañana, que día es mañana, and if we put pasado, is the day after tomorrow. ¿Qué día es after tomorrow? What day is after tomorrow? So, ¿qué día es pasado mañana? And ¿qué día fue ayer? Ayer. So I know that fue, we didn't study that before, but basically it's just the past, all right? So we are going to study that later. So, ¿qué día fue ayer? And we answer, what day was yesterday? And also we have antier fue domingo. So the day before yesterday it was Sunday. So antier means when you say the day before another day. Antier fue domingo. So the day before yesterday was Sunday. So, and then we have hoy es un día muy lindo y soleado. How you will translate that expression if you're ready now that you know a lot of Spanish? Can you just translate the entire expression? Of course, maybe you need to find what means lindo y soleado. So soleado is sunny and lindo is beautiful. But by now you will be able to know what means hoy es un día, and then muy. Muy was using that before, like muy bien or muy mal. So very, right? So today is a beautiful day and sunny. So that would be the translation. And hasta mañana, see you tomorrow. So that would be basically what we was studying before. Hasta mañana, see you tomorrow. So then we have Monday and we have Tuesday. That would be lunes, martes. Then for Wednesday we have miércoles. For Thursday we have jueves. For Friday we have viernes. And then for Saturday, sábado. And then for Sunday, domingo. So we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Monday. So we have Monday, lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado y domingo. Again, lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo. And you have to learn that by heart. So, lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado y domingo. So, here we have all these days of the week. So, that would be good if you say, ¿qué día es hoy? And you say, hoy es martes o hoy es miércoles. And ¿qué día es mañana? What day is tomorrow? And said that you are on Wednesday, you are going to answer, mañana es jueves. Mañana es jueves. ¿Qué día es pasado mañana? So you will say pasado mañana es domingo. So remember, we are going to use again the part of this expression like pasado mañana, like the yellow part. We say pasado mañana es, and then the day that you are going to use. Or you are going to say ayer fue viernes. So yesterday it was Friday. Okay, so let's go to try to practice all this. So ¿qué día es hoy? So say that hoy, today is Monday or Tuesday. So you will answer then is hoy is jueves. And yesterday or tomorrow, you say what day is tomorrow? ¿Qué día es mañana? And we are going to answer mañana es viernes. Okay, ¿qué día es pasado mañana? After tomorrow. So you say pasado mañana es domingo. So the day after tomorrow will be Sunday. And if we go back, so yesterday we say ¿qué día fue ayer? What day it was yesterday? Ayer fue, and then we are going to use the day. So ayer fue viernes. Okay? So, and then we are going to say the day before yesterday is antier fue, domingo, right? So we are going to say what day it was antier. We are going to say antier fue domingo. So hopefully that you will master with this. So if you have any question, let me know and put a comment and I will be able to answer any questions. So this was the small lesson, and I think that would be very important just to start getting familiar with the Spanish. So we will see you in our next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my video so more people will be able to see this video, and so give me a like or dislike if you don't like this, so that will give me a feedback to know how I'm doing, or leave a comment so I will be able to fix it in my next video. Thank you very much. So we see you in our next class. Hasta la vista, nos vemos, muchas gracias, hasta el próximo video. Chao.